Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Satria. I am from 12 Social 5 of Swancil. And today I will doing a practical exam about a song. I will divide the material to 5 sections that are contains the what is a song, and then the social function of the song, the structure of the song. After the 3 materials, I will sing and play a song with my guitar here, and then I will define what the songs mean, and lastly I will identify the language characteristic of that song. So, what is a song? A song is a single and often standalone work of music intended to be sung by the human voice with distinct and fixed pitch and patterns, using sound and silence and variety of forms that often include the repetition of section. And next, there is a social function of the song. There are 5 social functions of the song. The first is to entertain the listener. The second is to teach moral value through the lyrics of the song. The third is to keep someone to not only share their emotion with others, but also to have an emotional connection that just can't be experienced in any other way. The fourth is to provide a way of managing the relationship between our public and private emotional life. And the fifth is to express personal feeling and cultural values. And then there is a structure of the song. The structure of the song have 5 section. There are intro, verse, chorus of refrain, bridge, and outro or coda. The intro is the first section of the song. It establishes a melodic, harmonic, and rhythmic related to the song. The second section is the verse. The verse is the section that tells the story, the exposition that describe emotion, scene, or the person. The third is the chorus of refrain. This section is the most repeated section, so it is easy to remember. The chorus of refrain contains the summary of the song story. The fourth is the bridge. This is the part that song shifts. It can suddenly change tempo, volume, or instrumentation. This part that gives them the climax of the story. And the fifth is outro or coda. This is the end of the song. It can repeat the intro or chorus with an addition like instrument solo. For the example of the song, I will sing a song that written by Ricky Montgomery that calls Line Without a Hook. I don't really give a damn about the way you touch me when we're alone. You can hold my hand if no one's home. Do you like it when I'm awake? If I went and hurt my body, baby, would you love me the same? I can feel all my bones coming back. Feel I'm craving motion. Mom never really learns how to live by yourself. It's a curse and it's growing. You're a my emotion feels like an explosion when you are around, and I found a way to kill the sound. Oh, baby, I am a wreck when I'm without you. I need you here to stay. I broke all my bones that day I found you. Crying at the lake, what is something I've seen to make you feel like you're a burden? Oh, and if I could take it away, I swear that I will pull you from the tide. So, from the song that I just play with my guitar, we can define the meaning of the song. The meaning of the song of Line Without a Hook is about a relationship that is failing and it changes in one way or another. The singer feels them failing out of love and wonder if his partner still love him the same and if he's worthy of her. The lyrics of the song revolve around themes of unrequited love, heartbreak, and the challenge of dealing with emotion. In the context of the song, the phrase "line without a hope" is a metaphorical and suggests a relationship or interaction that lacks a meaningful connection or commitment. And next, there is a language characteristic. Before I identify the song that I just played, I will tell you the meaning of 6 language characteristics. The first is the metaphor. The metaphor is comparing two things that are not like to suggest that they actually have something in common. The second is simile. Simile is compares two things using like or as. The third is hyperbole. Hyperbole is a dramatic language, big exaggeration, usually with humor. The fourth is alliteration. The alliteration is the repetition of the same beginning sound in a series of words. The fifth is the personification. The personification is using an object appear like a person. And the sixth is imagery. Imagery describes about feelings and emotion. So, for the lyric example of the language characteristic, for the metaphor, the example is, and I am just a line without a hope. And then simile, for the example is, all my emotions feel like explosions when you are around. For the hyperbole, the example is, I broke all my bones that day I found you. For the alliteration, the example is it worth it? Is it worth it? Tell me, is it worth it? For personification, the example is, the wind is pounding on my back. And then for imagery, the example is, and in my eyes there is a tiny dancer watching over me. For an addition, this is the whole lyric of the song. There is a verse here, and then chorus, the first two, and then chorus, and then bridge, and then the last is the chorus. Okay everyone, that's all for my practical exam about a song and the song that I just identified. I hope you guys enjoying watching my presentation. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.